everyone, this is Schmitty's Kettle Corn. Please like and subscribe on Facebook. Today we are going to go over how to make chocolate caramel corn, and we're going to show you how to make chocolate caramel corn in the kettle. So this is my kettle corn machine, 160 quart bowl of Master Series machine made by kettlecornmachine.com, and I'm making chocolate caramel corn today. In this first video here, I'm actually making caramel corn. That's usually what I start off first, and then I usually add my sweeter flavors after. And what I'm doing here pretty much is just keeping stirring the bowl to make sure it's consistent as possible. The one thing that's different about the caramel corn versus the kettle corn is that the kettle corn cooks much faster and much easier, and it's not, it's going to be way more consistent in the flavor. So with this one here, I try to slow down the temperature a little bit. Today is a very hot day, it's in the 90s, so the kettle will actually cook a little bit hotter in the hotter days. And here you can actually see the popcorn kind of coming up already. And as I'm gonna stir it here, in fact, one of the things that I might mention before, if I haven't already, is that I actually add a little bit of sugar to the mix as well as the mixture itself. I do about half and half. I do about half a cup of or half of the container full of the caramel corn glaze, and then I use about half of the sugar. And so then with half the sugar, it actually makes it much more, it tastes much better. In fact, it doesn't just taste all artificial, so it actually tastes pretty close to the real thing. And I'm actually debating about whether or not even adding maybe butter to it, but I might try that another day to see if it would even taste even different, or maybe butter flavoring oil to see if that would even make a difference. But you can always cook it around yourself, and if it comes out, to your taste, and that's what all that matters at the end of the day. So here you can actually see the end result. The caramel corn, some of them are going to be fully popped, some of them are going to be partially popped, and that's one of the complaints that I have with this machine, is that once I plan on getting the caramel corn glaze, I actually plan on seeing if the caramel corn machine, the caramelizer, will fully coat it versus just partially coat it. But for right now, I sell a bag of caramel corn for $6, and they sell, I sell at every market, and this is the end result, folks. This is what you can see here directly, that some of the pieces are small, some of the pieces are large. And then up next will be chocolate caramel corn. And you can see here with the last part, popping up, it actually gets really tough. In fact, making the chocolate is actually a little bit harder and tougher to make than the caramel corn. So here I'm really actually having a struggle having to mix this with my paddle. But it all comes out fine, and none of it is burnt, so I'm happy about that. And the consistency is, just like the caramel corn. So I actually sold like half the batch, I think, so that day. So it still turned out to be profitable. And then if it goes by a day or two, I usually just turn it by $1 or so. So even then, I'll sell the back for $5 if I don't sell as many. But here it's in full swing. You see it's the same thing. Some of the kernels are lightly coated, some of them are not. So some of them are heavier coated. So we'll see what that will look like. But try to figure out how to fix that. So thanks for watching. This is how I make it back to chocolate caramel corn. If you saw how I bagged it earlier and see what it looks like. I have my label, it looks really nice. And again, please like and subscribe on Facebook. And if you like this video on YouTube, please subscribe. I have 400 subscribers. I'm trying to learn video editing and figure out how to make my own videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to add below. If you want to see a video of anything in particular, feel free to ask, because I've been doing this now for 10 years and this is all new for me.